Welcome back. In this video we are going to install Ubuntu on Amazon Web Services. Let's log into Amazon Web Services first. Now in here, as you can see that we have list of services offered by AWS. All these services can help you to deploy any sort of website or mobile app. As you might know, our Udemy is also hosted on AWS. At present, we only need two services to build our server. The first one is EC2 and the second one is Route 53. EC2 is a scalable cloud server on which we will deploy our website, and the Route 53 is the highly available domain name system web service. Or in simple words, Route 53 is a DNS server. Now before we proceed to install operating system on EC2, you should note that not all the services listed here is available for free trial. To know which services are free for trial, go to aws.amazon.com/free. In here we have EC2 free for 750 hours per month. If we multiply 24 by 31, we get 744 hours in a month. So we have EC2 absolutely free for 12 months with certain limitations. We also have Amazon S3, DynamoDB, AWS IoT, EC2 container, and many other services for free trial. But you might have noticed Route 53 is not listed here. Basically, I want to say Route 53 along with many other services is not available for trial. Now let's check the price of Route 53. Now here it is priced for 50 cents a month for first 25 hosted zones. If you don't know about hosted zones, you can do a Google search or you can learn about zones in my next video. Now let's get back to our work. Click on EC2. On this page, click on Launch Instance. Instance is none other than virtual server on Amazon Web Services. On this page, we have list of all the operating system which can be deployed on Amazon Virtual Server. We are going to install Ubuntu server. So just click on Select here. Now on this page, default option looks good. Click Next. If you want to deploy more than one instance, enter the number of instances in this box or just leave it to its default and continue to add storage. Here you can add up to 30 GB of free storage, and after that click Next. Enter any name here and click Next. Now we need to create a security group. Enter the security group name here and the description. I would like to leave it as default. And now we need to select the type. The very first type is SSH. Obviously, we will be using SSH to access our remote server. In source, if you have a static IP address, then go for my IP. Now the reason to select my IP is security. By selecting my IP, we are basically whitelisting our IP address and blacklisting all other IP addresses on SSH. In other words, no one else other than my IP address will able to access our remote server. Now we need to add one more rule to access our website, that is HTTP rule. And obviously we want our website to be accessible from anywhere, so leave the source value to anywhere. Next, if you want to load your website on HTTPS. You also need to add HTTPS rule. And once again, we want our website to be accessible for anywhere. So again, leave the source value to anywhere. Now click on review and launch. On this page, review the details and click launch. Here we need to create a new key pair. So select create a new key pair and name it my key or anything. After that, download key pair. Save the key pair and click launch instances. Now our instance is ready and running. Let's go back to our dashboard. Now click on this running instances. From here, note that the public IP address and this is the public DNS. Now copy this public IP address, and if you are on Windows, then open the PuTTY and paste the public IP address right in here, and also open the PuTTY generator and now we will import the downloaded key. And in here we have our downloaded key mykey.pem. Open and now save the private key in PuTTY format mykey and save it. Now click on this small plus icon here, and after that AUTH authentication, browse. Here mykey.ppk we have just created. Now click on open. Click yes. Now by default, Amazon Web Services deploy Ubuntu operating system with user Ubuntu. So type Ubuntu here and press enter. And we are logged in. For Linux and Mac user, copy the downloaded key and paste the key in current user directory. Now open the terminal and type ssh -i mykey.pem Ubuntu @ of your IP address. We need to copy the IP address and paste it here and press enter. Yes, we want to continue and see we are logged in. So this is how we will able to connect to our remote cloud server on Amazon Web Hosting.